Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the website platform Blog Talk Radio. And Blog Talk Radio has a number of unique features that will help you to be able to either create a podcast or to be able to do a live broadcast with audio only. Now, the platform boasts several kinds of opportunities for you to be able to monetize your podcast. And even if you did nothing else other than to broadcast and to set up your podcast, you would be able to generate an income from the activity that you'll be doing on the site. So in this course, we'll actually walk through getting started with Blog Talk Radio and then setting up a broadcast and podcast and then connecting it to iTunes so that you can have a podcast there also. What's good about Blog Talk Radio is that you can choose to either broadcast live, as you see some of the podcasts here, or you can have a traditional podcast that people can download. And we'll also talk about repurposing your content for sites like YouTube and other social networks. So we will now get started with setting up your podcast and getting started with Blog Talk Radio. And in a very short period of time, you can be podcasting and broadcasting audio. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.